If you're making this video in July 2023, chances are you're experiencing record-breaking heat. So why is summer so hot? Why can't we just skip ahead to fall? Well, there are several reasons. And before I get into how you can survive summer heat, let's look at some of the science behind why summer is so hot. The main reason summer is so hot is because the Earth's axis is tilted on its side. If the Earth were a perfect sphere and there were no tilt, then both hemispheres would receive an equal amount of sunlight year-round, and we wouldn't have seasons. The North Pole would always be cold, the South Pole would always be cold, and the equator would always be hot. But since the Earth is not a perfect sphere, the northern and southern hemispheres tilt on their axes. This means that one hemisphere will always be closer to the sun than the other. During summer in one hemisphere, that hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, meaning that it receives more direct sunlight and experiences warmer temperatures. Meanwhile, during winter in that same hemisphere, it is tilted away from the sun, receiving less direct sunlight and experiencing colder temperatures. This tilt of the Earth's axis causes the 4 seasons that we experience throughout the year. In addition to the Earth's tilt, another reason why summer is so hot is because of the Coriolis effect. The Coriolis effect causes moving objects to be deflected to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. Due to this deflection, air currents and winds are redirected, and this affects how air masses move around the globe. As a result, air masses from the equator, which are heated by the sun, travel towards the poles, and air masses from the poles move towards the equator. This movement of air helps to distribute heat around the globe. However, during summer, the temperature difference between the equator and the poles is greater, leading to stronger air currents and winds. These stronger winds carry more heat from the equator to the poles and contribute to the higher temperatures experienced during summer. Another factor that contributes to the heat during summer is the higher concentration of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the lower atmosphere. According to NASA, human activities have increased atmospheric carbon dioxide levels by 50% since the Industrial Revolution began in the mid-1800s. More carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases mean more heat is trapped within our lower atmosphere, and the Earth's average surface temperature continues to rise. While the increase in global temperatures is a problem here, it is especially problematic during summer when many people are outside enjoying the warm weather. Heat waves and other extreme weather events can cause serious health problems or even death. That's why it's important to take steps to stay safe and healthy during the summer months. Now that you know why summer is so hot, let's talk about how you can survive it. Here are 5 tips for surviving the summer heat. 1. Stay hydrated. It's important to drink plenty of water during the summer months to avoid dehydration. When you're out in the heat, your body loses water through sweat, which can lead to dehydration if you don't replace it with fluids. Dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and in severe cases, heat stroke. So make sure to carry a water bottle with you when you out and about and drink plenty of water throughout the day. 2. Wear light, loose clothing. Wearing light and loose clothing can help you stay cool in the summer heat. Dark colors absorb more heat than light colors, so it's best to opt for lighter shades like white, light blue, and beige. Loose clothing, on the other hand, allows for better air circulation, which can help keep you from overheating. 3. Use sunscreen is an essential part of staying safe in the summer heat. It helps protect your skin from the harmful effects of the sun's rays, which can cause sunburn and increase your risk of skin cancer. When you apply make sure to use a broad-spectrum SPF of 30 or higher and reapply it every 2 hours or as needed. You should also wear protective clothing such as hats and sunglasses to further protect yourself from the sun. 4. Take advantage of air conditioning. Air conditioning is one of the most effective ways to stay cool in the summer heat. If you have access to air conditioning, make sure to use it to keep your home or workspace cool. You can also visit public places with air conditioning such as libraries, shopping malls, and movie theaters to take a break from the heat. Many public transportation systems also have air conditioning, so consider taking the bus or train instead of driving if you want to avoid the heat. 5. Avoid strenuous activity during the hottest parts of the day. If you plan on doing any strenuous activity during the summer months, it's important to do it during the cooler parts of the day, such as early in the morning or late in the evening. The hottest part of the day is typically between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., when the sun is at its highest point in the sky and the temperatures are the hottest. During this time, it's best to avoid strenuous activity to prevent overheating. If you must be outside during these hours, make sure to take frequent breaks, drink plenty of water, and wear light, loose clothing. Surviving the summer heat can be challenging, but by following these tips, you can stay safe and healthy. It is important to take precautions to avoid heat-related illnesses and ensure that you and your loved ones stay cool and comfortable during the summer months. Do you have any other tips for surviving the summer heat? Let me know in the comments below. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for watching.